Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I hope your wallets are ready because today we are going on an adventure.
Hi, everyone. No, I know that look in Rose's eyes. That is the I want to buy everything look. Hide your credit cards.
Don't listen to Sam. Today we are talking about one of the most fun and dangerous activities in the world. We are talking about shopping.
Shopping, the art of spending money you don't have on things you don't need.
Sam, it is not just spending money. It is an experience. But seriously, whether you love fashion or you just need to buy groceries, you need to know the right words.
It's true. You don't want to go to a store and point at things like a caveman. No words, just grunting and pointing. Ugh, shirt. Ugh.
Exactly. We want you to use full, beautiful sentences. We want you to feel confident walking into any shop in New York, London, or Sydney. So here is our specific goal for today.
Listen closely to the goal.
By the end of this video, you will be able to describe your shopping habits, negotiate prices, and talk about how clothes fit using natural English sentences.
No more robot language. You will sound like a pro shopper.
So if you are ready to learn some priceless vocabulary, hit that subscribe button right now.
And hit the like button if you prefer saving money.
Let's start with shopping habits. How do you shop? Some people go to the store with a list. They buy what they need and they leave.
That is me. I am a tactical shopper. In and out, 5 minutes.
And some people love to browse.
Browse. This means looking around without a specific plan in mind. You are just checking what is available.
A very common phrase for this is window shopping.
Window shopping. This is when you look at the beautiful things in the shop windows, but you have zero intention of buying them. Maybe because you are broke.
Or maybe you are just dreaming. I went window shopping on Fifth Avenue. It is a fun way to pass the time without spending $1.
Now, if you are addicted to shopping, if you buy things every day, we call you a shopaholic.
Shopaholic. It sounds like alcoholic. It means you cannot stop shopping. My sister is a total shopaholic. She buys shoes every week.
And sometimes people shop because they feel sad. We call this retail therapy.
Retail therapy. It means buying things to make yourself feel better. I had a bad day at work, so I need some retail therapy.
It works for about 10 minutes, and then you see the bill and you feel sad again.
That is the cycle of life, Sam. Now, let's talk about money and prices. This is the vocabulary you need to save money.
My favorite topic.
First, you need to know the difference between on sale and for sale.
This is confusing. For sale just means you can buy it. Everything in the store is for sale.
But on sale means the price is lower than usual. It is a discount.
You always want to buy things on sale. Look, these boots are on sale.
If something is very cheap, a really good price, we call it a bargain.
I got a great bargain on this TV.
We also have some cool slang for this. If it is incredibly cheap, we say it's a steal.
It's a steal. Like it is so cheap it feels like you stole it. $5 for this jacket? That's a steal.
But what if it is too expensive? What if the quality is bad but the price is high?
Then we say it's a ripoff.
A ripoff. This is strong slang. It means they are cheating you. Do not buy coffee there. It costs $10. It's a total ripoff.
Nobody likes a ripoff. Always look for the steal.
Now, that was a lot of new slang. Take a breath. Let's slow down and practice these money phrases.
Yes, let's get the pronunciation right.
Repeat after me. Slow. I love window shopping.
I love window shopping.
Fast. I love window shopping.
I love window shopping.
Slow. That phone is a ripoff.
That phone is a ripoff.
Fast. That phone is a ripoff.
That phone is a ripoff.
Slow. I need some retail therapy.
I need some retail therapy.
Fast. I need some retail therapy.
I need some retail therapy.
Excellent. Now let's talk about clothing and fitting. This is where many students make mistakes.
Yes, you walk into a clothing store. You see a shirt you like. You want to see if it fits. You ask, "Can I try this on?"
Try on. This is the phrasal verb. It means to put the clothes on to check the size. Where can I try this on?
And you go to the fitting room or the changing room.
The fitting room. That small room with the bad lighting where you look at yourself in the mirror.
Now, once you put it on, you have to judge it. Is it tight or loose?
Tight means it is too small. It is squeezing you. These jeans are too tight. I can't breathe.
Loose or baggy means it is too big. This shirt is too loose. It looks like a tent.
And here is the most important distinction in shopping English. The difference between it fits and it suits.
Oh, this is the golden rule. Listen carefully.
It fits is about size. If it is not too big and not too small, it fits.
But it suits you is about style. Does it look good on you? Does it match your eyes?
A clown costume might fit you perfectly. The size is right. But it probably doesn't suit you, unless you are a clown.
So if I wear a bright pink dress, it might fit, but Rose will tell me, Sam, that doesn't suit you.
I would definitely tell you that.
So remember, fit equals size, suit equals style.
Now, let's do a quick goal reminder.
Pause for the goal. Remember, we want you to speak naturally. Don't just walk into a store and say, size medium, please. Use the sentences. Excuse me, I'd like to try this on. Do you think this suits me? Be conversational. Engage with the shop assistant. They are people too.
Now, let's talk about the final stage, paying and returns.
You go to the checkout or the register.
The cashier will ask, how would you like to pay? You can say by card or in cash.
Then they give you a piece of paper, the receipt.
Receipt. Be careful with the spelling. It has a P, R-E-C-E-I-P-T, but the P is silent.
How do we say it, Rose?
We say receipt. Emphasis on the second part, receipt.
Receipt. Got it. Keep this paper, because if you hate the item later, you need to return it.
If you return it, you might get a refund. That means you get your money back.
Or you might get store credit. That means they keep the money, but you can buy something else in the store later.
Or you can do an exchange. That means you swap the item. I want to exchange this blue shirt for the red one.
Refund is best. Cash is king. But exchange is okay too.
Let's practice these transaction phrases. Repeat after me. Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
It fits, but it doesn't suit me.
It fits, but it doesn't suit me.
I would like a refund, please.
I would like a refund, please.
Keep the receipt.
Keep the receipt.
Now, I think we are ready to go shopping.
Grab your bag. Let's do some role plays.
We are going to do 3 scenes to show the whole process, from entering the store to leaving with empty pockets.
Scene 1. We are at the mall. Rose is the shopaholic. I am the reluctant bag carrier.
Rose, no. We have been here for 3 hours. My feet hurt. Can't we just window shop from here?
Don't be silly. I need some retail therapy. I had a long week. Just 5 minutes, I promise.
You always say 5 minutes. Last time it was an hour.
Look, the sign says clearance sale. That means huge discounts. It might be a steal.
Clearance does sound good. Maybe I can find some cheap headphones.
See? Now you are interested. Come on, let's just browse.
Fine, but if you try on 20 pairs of shoes, I am leaving.
I won. I always win. The power of the clearance sale. We recycled window shop, retail therapy, browse, and steal. Clearance is another great word. It means they are trying to clear the store. Everything must go. It usually means the biggest discounts.
Now, scene 2, the fitting room disaster. I am trying on clothes. Rose is judging me.
Okay, Rose, I found this jacket. What do you think? Be honest. Wow, that is very bright. It's yellow.
I know. I want to look cool. Does it fit?
Well, it fits. The size looks correct. But Sam, I don't think it suits you.
Really? Don't you think it's my style?
It's a bit flashy. And honestly, look at the price tag. $200? That is a total ripoff for a yellow plastic jacket.
Yeah, and it feels a bit tight under the arms. It's itchy too.
See? Tight, itchy, and a ripoff. Take it off. Let's find something else.
You're right. Back to the rock.
Yellow plastic jacket. Sam, you have terrible taste.
I was trying to be fashionable, but we used the golden rule. It fits, but it doesn't suit you.
And we recycled ripoff and tight.
Now, scene 3, the checkout. I am trying to return the yellow jacket. Imagine I bought it by mistake.
I am the grumpy cashier.
Oh, great. Grumpy cashier. Here we go.
Next, please. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to return this jacket. I bought it yesterday.
What is wrong with it?
Nothing really. It just doesn't suit me. And my friend said I look like a banana.
I see. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is. Can I get a refund?
I'm sorry, sir. For sale items, we only offer store credit or an exchange. We don't give cash refunds.
Oh man. Okay, I'll take the store credit. I guess I will buy some socks.
Fine. Here is your voucher. Next.
No refund? That is tragic.
That is a very common policy. Store credit only. We used return, receipt, refund, and exchange.
Always ask about the return policy before you buy.
Now, before we hit the speed round, we have a very important safety tip. This is a grammatical mistake that makes you sound unnatural.
Is it about the word shopping?
Yes, many students say, I go to shopping, or I am going to shopping.
No, delete the t.
We use go plus ing for activities. I go swimming. I go fishing. I go shopping.
I go shopping. Just I go shopping.
Or I am going shopping.
Let's go shopping. It is cleaner, faster, and correct.
So drop the t, unless you say I am going to the shop. That is a place, but the activity is just shopping.
Got it. I go shopping. I go shopping. Perfect.
Now, are you ready to test your brain? We have a cart full of vocabulary.
My brain is the checkout counter. Scan the words.
I describe it, you shout the phrase, loudly.
Looking at goods in store windows without buying.
Window shopping.
A person who is addicted to shopping.
Shopaholic.
Shopping to make yourself feel happier.
Retail therapy.
A phrase meaning very cheap or a great deal.
A bargain or a steal.
A phrase meaning too expensive or bad value.
A ripoff.
To put clothes on to check the size.
Try on.
The room where you change clothes.
Fitting room.
The phrase means the size is correct.
It fits.
The phrase means the style looks good on you.
It suits you.
The paper you get after paying. Receipt.
Receipt.
Getting your money back for a return.
Refund.
Grammar check. I go to shopping or I go shopping.
I go shopping.
You are a shopping superstar. You got them all.
I feel ready to hit the mall.
Now we have a challenge for you. This is the most important part. We want you to speak.
Don't just listen. We want you to try to speak for 30 seconds without stopping.
Here are the instructions. Step 1, pause the video.
Step 2, think about the last thing you bought. Describe it out loud. Say, I bought a new shirt. It was a steal. Or, I went window shopping because I am broke.
Step 3, write exactly what you said in the comments below.
So, pause, speak for 30 seconds, write.
Ready? Pause in 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you do it? Did you tell us about your best bargain?
I want to know if you found a steal recently or if you bought something that was a ripoff. Tell us your stories.
And tell us if you are a shopaholic. We can start a support group in the comments.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Shopping is a part of life, so make sure you do it in English.
Save your money, buy good things, and keep practicing.
See you in the next video.
Bye guys. Happy shopping.
Bye.